everybody. Thank you for joining me at Lori Houston Art. How are you? I'm doing great. I'm doing a small canvas. As you all know, I have been testing out Hippy Crafter. They have a wonderful line of paints that I have been using right here. This is the acrylic pouring set, and this is actually, I cannot wait to use these colors. I'm using them straight out of the bottle. This is the second one that I've done. I am actually just going to go ahead and pour them straight on the canvas. We're going to start with a little bit of rose, and I'm just going to go ahead. Beautiful. I love that color. Next, I'm going to go with some metallic scarlet. Okay. This is a small test. Oh, that's so beautiful. Test canvas while I'm testing their paints. This is the second test I've done. I'm going to put some orange on here. I love orange. I'm going to do some yellow. Look at that bright yellow. And this is called lemon yellow. And I'm sorry, the orange was orange yellow. And I am going to add scarlet to this. Just a little bit of scarlet. Okay. And I think I'm going to add some white. Not a lot. I'm just going to shake it out around a little bit. And I'm going to go back with, I think this rose is my favorite color. But I tend to go, ooh, that's so pretty. All right, we're going to spread this out. This time, look at those colors. Woo, beautiful. Oh, I just love it. Oh my gosh. Makes me think of a sunset. I see a sunset swipe with these coming soon. Stay tuned. Okay. Good stuff. I love when I do these small test canvas. Because it's just so much fun. It's really more so about the colors, the paints, than it is. So what I think I will do in the future is I probably will paint my edges. Now this is pretty typical with all premixed paints like this. I usually, or I will gesso my canvas, which I have a video coming out on that very soon. I used to only gesso my canvas. I watched Olga Sobey, and that's where I come up with how to gesso. And okay, now I'm gonna torch this, and I gotta grab my torch. Right over here. I've been doing a lot of resin work. There's a lot of bubbles in this. All right, I'm just going to go over the top with some paints, just random colors. Okay, because we're going to swipe, and there we go. Until tip it around. These paints are so creamy and so vibrant. I mean, that yellow is electrifying. It's beautiful. And I'm just going to say that when I do these videos, and because they've asked me to test their paints, I'm not going to do a video and put it out and tell you that they're great, just to tell you that they're great. If they're not great or not good, or I don't think it's something I want to represent, then I just won't put the video out. But the first flower pop I did with these paints, it was amazing. And I think if you are starting out, this is the way to go. All right, I'm going to torch again. Okay, I'm gonna get my tweezers. Okay, I think that was just me that time. All right, so now I am going to, I'm gonna swipe with black today. And I think I'm gonna use, trying to think, there we go. I think I'm gonna use black, yeah. I'm decided to use black. So I'm gonna pour it along the top here. And then I'm gonna tip it a little bit because, oh, that's right, I forgot, I'm just gonna pour it this way just to cover the edge. I'm gonna cover it down here. And black, cover those edges. There we go. And I am going to use plastic to swipe instead of a paper towel. So I'm going to pull this up a little bit. And let me get my plastic. And just an FYI, I get these plastic at the dollar store and they work amazing. Now, is it long enough? Not quite. That's okay. We're gonna set it right here and I'm just reuse them. I'm gonna pull all the way to the edge. Look at how pretty, 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 pretty. Okay, now we're gonna, I do not like that there. That's a bummer. So let's pour a little paint here. Okay. And a little here down on the edge. Because we're gonna tip it a bit. So we're okay. Let's tilt it off. And we're gonna tilt it down. There's not a lot of paint on this canvas. So it's going to take me a minute. Okay, tip it back. These colors are just stunning. Okay, we're going to go over this way. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Wow. I'm just going to keep kind of rocking it. I can already tell these colors are glowing. I'm going to go ahead and just touch up some of these corners here. I think they're good. Okay, my napkin, paper towel. And I am going to squirt just a little bit of black here along this edge. I'm going to tip it one more time. It's okay. Let's just let it run off. Okay. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm blowing at the bottom. Okay. That's the bottom. I hope you can see. Okay, just trying to make give this some character here at the bottom. Beautiful. Ah, that wasn't good. There we go. I fixed it. Thank gosh. Okay. Go around. Perfect. All right. Now, I think that looks really cool. And we've got some fire coming through that side. Let's see. I think, I love this. These paints are amazing. Oh my gosh, can you see these colors? All right, guys, what should I do next? Where should I put the flower? I'm gonna stick with the black. I'm wondering if we should come off like this. So let's start here. And let me get I think I'm gonna use my straw and not Puffy. I know Puffy. I'll probably end up coming back and grabbing Puffy. He's I can't live without him. But I got my old straw here. I'm gonna use that. Beautiful. I do think, drop there. Love it. Now I will highlight that flower. All right, we're gonna do one here. I wanna do a big one. Let's think about this. Let's do, because I was thinking about coming off of it, just making it different. All right, I'm gonna just go with it. Oh my gosh, you see how beautiful this is? Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. All right, now we're gonna go here, 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 and here. Okay. Ooh. Oh my. I think they're going to be pleasantly surprised at Hippy Crafter with, you know, you want to represent the company so well. I think they're going to be happy with this. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this and kind of just and oh my gosh. I know after this video, everyone is going to go and they're going to buy these paints. I would. They're beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I don't even know what to say. They're just gorgeous. All right. We're gonna kind of, there we go. I'm gonna try to separate some of the petals. There we go on that one. They all really have their own separation on their own. Okay. Beautiful. These are gorgeous. So I think, ooh, I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna make the stem without any paint. Let's see what happens. Love it. And what if, let me think for a second. What could we do? You know that black paper that you write on? Beautiful. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what to say, guys. It's gorgeous. So we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm wondering if I should have one over here. Tell me what to do, because this is so beautiful. All right. So now I've got these colors. I'm setting them aside because I will be doing Dutch pour with those. All right, so I think at this point, I do see one spot that I do want to fix right here. Okay, that's okay. Yeah. Beautiful. I love it. Yes, yes, yes. I love it. All right. Let's go down for a close. Okay, hippycrafter.com. These are premixed paints. Do you believe the colors? Look at the vibrant colors. And they dry the same way. This is stunning. Like I said, if you are starting out, you have to get these Hippy Crafter paints. Oh, they're beautiful. I cannot wait to show you the dried results. Okay, everyone. So let me know what you think in the comments below. I will put the link to Hippy Crafter down in the description box. Remember, you will get a discount on your first purchase, and I would appreciate it. I am an affiliate. You can click on the link at no charge to you. If you go and you order through my link, that will assist me with getting more products so that I'm able to test these products and show you how they work and how they hold up when you apply them on the canvas before spending the money. That's what it's all about, is teaching and trying to find products for everyone. That's what we do as artists. We try to help each other. So this, I have to be honest with you, this painting is just stunning. I'm blown away. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. I appreciate every single comment and sub and people that follow me. I am so gracious to have you here. I can't wait until the next video. Take care. Till next time. Okay, let's look at these dried results real quick. Oh my goodness. So I've placed it in a white frame. It is not even varnished yet or resined. It is absolutely stunning. Oh my goodness. Please check out these paints. You will not be disappointed. I am in love with this painting, and I think I'm going to resin it. If I do, I'll be sure to bring it back on camera so you can see at a later date, of course. But anyway, again, take care, everyone. Till next time. Thank you to Hippy Crafter for some great products.